Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to rent a property with Coldwell Banker. As you can see, I'm on the Coldwell Banker commercial website and the domain is cbcworldwide.com. And right over here you can see under properties you see two types, for sale and for lease. We're gonna click on for lease and then we're gonna search, let's say, New York and this one, and then property type, if this is business, industrial or mixed use. Let's say we have multifamily. We're gonna click on search and it says no result found. Okay, let's say just we'll do all. We're gonna search for it, and then you can see this one is a professional space and this one is a Broadway. So these are the only ones that are available for lease, or if you want to go for another state, maybe a bit broader, right over here, Florida, this should give us multiple things. As you can see, 5,000. This one is for light industrial automotive. This one is a suit and you get it for 2.5k a month, things like that, and you can go and check it out. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.